Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll simplify the entire chapter, Principles of Inheritance and Variation, just like NEET wants it, with NCERT lines, short tricks, and concept clarity. This is Queen U, and you're watching Bio Bulletin, your shortcut to mastering NEET biology. Let's dive in. Let's begin with our star, Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics. Mendel worked on Pisum sativum, pea plant. Trick to remember: peas perfect, short life cycle, many traits, bisexual flowers. He studied 7 contrasting traits. Trick: STPSCP5, seed shape, seed color, pod shape, pod color, flower position, flower color, and plant height. He proposed 2 laws. 1. Law of segregation: each allele separates independently. Bullseye emoji, always true, no exceptions. 2. Law of independent assortment: alleles of different genes assort independently. Pushpin emoji, true for genes on different chromosomes. Neat tip: monohybrid cross ratio equals 3:1, the hybrid equals 9:3:3:1. Now, genetics gets spicy. Let's talk about non-Mendelian inheritance. 1. Incomplete dominance: neither allele is completely dominant. Example: snapdragons, red times white pink. Phenotypic ratio equals genotypic ratio equals 1:2:1. 2. Codominance: both alleles express equally. Example: A blood group, IAIB. Trick: in incomplete, blend होता है. In codominance, दोनों शाइन करते हैं. 3. Multiple alleles: more than 2 alleles in the population. Example: blood group IA, IB, I. Note: a person can only carry 2 alleles at a time. Chromosomal theory given by Sutton and Boveri: genes are present on chromosomes, like Mendel's factors but seen physically. Sex determination examples: humans, 20, female, Xi, male, birds, ZW, female, ZZ, male, grasshopper, XO, male, 20, female. NEET loves sex determination charts, practice them. Time to decode those scary-looking pedigree charts. Used to study inheritance patterns in families, important for autosomal dominant, recessive, and X-linked traits. Tricks: if trait skips generations, likely recessive. If more males affected, likely X-linked. Trait in every generation, likely dominant. Practice with 2 to 3 charts daily, guaranteed NEET question. Here's your 1-minute NCERT recap. Mark these lines. White tick mark emoji: Mendel's laws are based on mathematical analysis. White tick mark emoji: incomplete and codominance prove that dominance isn't always complete. White tick mark emoji: ABO blood group is governed by multiple alleles and codominance. White tick mark emoji: chromosomal theory correlates genes with chromosomes. White tick mark emoji: pedigree analysis helps in genetic counseling. These lines are directly lifted from NCERT and often used in NEET MOQs. If this video helped clear your concepts, don't forget to hit like, share with your NEET buddies, and most importantly, subscribe to Bio Bulletin for more NCERT-based tricks and topic breakdowns. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Through his pea plant experiments, he proposed 2 key laws: the law of segregation and the law of independent assortment. The first law states that the 2 alleles for a trait separate during gamete formation, so a parent with genotype A will produce gametes with A and A. The second law explains that genes for different traits assort independently, meaning the inheritance of one gene does not affect the other. These laws laid the foundation of classical genetics and are super important for NEET. Right pointing finger emoji. Don't forget to subscribe Bio Bulletin for more quick and clear biology videos.